Hey guys, welcome to another episode. Today we are at Gateway Classic Cars here in Houston. There are cars lining up like crazy. They're rolling in all down the front here. Inside the building there's 145 additional cars to go look at. We're parked up here up front with all these nice Volkswagens. So I'm gonna take you guys around, meet some people, look at some cars, get some good footage. I figured this would be a good breakup of the build content that we've been doing a lot lately. So we're gonna take a look at all these cars. I'm gonna show you guys around, meet the owners, meet the people that work here, talk about some of the cars inside the building, and take a look around. So let's have a great morning. It feels great out here. It's not super hot yet. So let's go start taking a look at these cars. So we're actually inside of Gateway Classics right now, and it is a massive facility, and there are cars, I mean, everywhere. We're gonna take a walk around and see some of these. Some of these I've actually never seen in person on my own, and this is gonna be really cool. This place sells your classic cars for people here in Houston, and this is gonna be an awesome walk around, and there's music and all sorts of stuff. So I'm gonna get a bunch of video for you guys on some of these cars, and maybe I could snag one of the employees that work here to talk about some of them, what they do, and things like that, because these cars are the real deal. So let's start walking around and take a look, because this is good. Hey guys, I've got Shane here from Gateway Classics. He's going to give us some info about what you guys do and what you offer. So go ahead and let the people know what you got.
Hey guys, here at Gateway, we're the largest consignment dealer of hot rods, right, and classics, right? And zero cost consignment, right? You bring your car in, right? We'll sell it to a global audience, market it and sell it to a global audience. It costs you nothing to drop it off and nothing to pick it up if it's not sold, right? Guys, come on down. We have the largest car show in Houston, inside every day, right? It's
as you can see, there's a lot of cars we've already seen already.
All right, so come on down, right? We'd love to, come on down, check out our hot rods. We'd love to check out yours.
Yeah, absolutely, guys. So this is Gateway Classics. Like I said, I'll make sure I put the information down below in the description where you can see the cars online, right?
Yeah.
Online. There you go. So make sure to put in the description, guys. So we're going to keep looking at these cars. Thank you, Shane. It's awesome. Thank you so much.
All right, thanks for coming.
All right, guys, let's keep looking at some cars. All right, guys, that's gonna be the end of this episode. We saw a lot of cool cars, met a lot of cool people. People are starting to head out here, firing up, heading out. It's been a fantastic day. The sun is coming out strong. It is getting hot. So I'm gonna do the same thing because that top is down and it's gonna be hot. So we're heading home. It was a fantastic day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm glad you're able to tune in and meet some people with me. Again, information for Gateway Classic Cars is gonna be in the description down below. So until next time, guys, we'll see you.